Hello and welcome back to Simple English Lab. In today's lesson, we will learn the difference between present perfect and past simple, two tenses that often confuse English learners. Don't worry, we will break it down in a simple and clear way with easy examples. Let's get started. What is the present perfect tense? We use the present perfect to talk about life experiences, actions that happened at an unknown time in the past. Recent actions with present results. Structure: have, has, plus past participle. Examples: I have visited London. She has lost her phone. They have finished their homework. We don't say exactly when the action happened. The time is not important. What is the past simple tense? We use the past simple to talk about completed actions in the past, actions that happened at a specific time. Structure: verb plus ed for regular verbs or past form for irregular verbs. Examples: I visited London in 2018. She lost her phone yesterday. They finished their homework last night. Here, we say exactly when something happened. Compare the two tenses. Let's look at some sentences to understand the difference. I have seen that movie. You don't say when, just that you have seen it. I saw that movie last week. You say exactly when, last week. He has broken his leg. The result is still important now. He broke his leg last year. It happened in the past and the time is given. Time expressions common with present perfect: just, already, yet, ever, never, recently, so far, since, for. Examples: I have just eaten. Have you ever been to Italy? She has lived here for 10 years. Common with past simple: yesterday, last week, month, year. In 2010, 2 days ago, when I was young. Examples: I saw that film yesterday. He went to Japan last year. Practice time. Let's try a quick quiz. Fill in the blanks. I blank see that movie last night. She blank just finish her lunch. They blank go to Paris in 2019. Have you ever blank eat sushi? Answers: I saw that movie last night. She has just finished her lunch. They went to Paris in 2019. Have you ever eaten sushi? Great job today. You have now learned the difference between present perfect and past simple. Keep practicing and it will become easy for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Simple English Lab. See you in the next lesson. Bye.